Welcome back to The Big Sweep, ladies and gentlemen. We're your go-to destination for all things clean and organized. Today on The Big Sweep, we're diving deep into 15 everyday habits for a clean home. Genius tips to transform your space. If you're ready to elevate your home to a whole new level of cleanliness and tranquility, stick around because you're in for a treat. Get ready to turn your home into a sanctuary of cleanliness and order. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. They say, I'm not really sure who they are, but they say that it takes 21 days to form a good habit. So, if you do the following things for 21 days, your home will always look and feel amazing. Now, let's kick things off with the heart of the home, the kitchen. It's always nice to start cooking in a clean and organized environment. One of the simplest yet most effective habits you can adopt is wiping down your countertops after every use. Whether you're chopping vegetables for dinner or brewing your morning coffee, taking a moment to give your countertops a quick wipe will keep them looking pristine and free of crumbs and spills. While we're in the kitchen, let's talk about organization. Investing in drawer dividers and organizers can work wonders in maximizing space and minimizing clutter. Take a few minutes each week to declutter your drawers and neatly arrange your utensils and gadgets. It will make cooking and meal prep a breeze because you don't have to go on a search and rescue mission to find your favorite knife. It will be easy to clean up as everything will have a home to go to. It'll also give your kitchen a polished and inviting look. Moving on to the bedroom, let's discuss the importance of making your bed each morning. It may seem like a small task, but it sets the tone for the day ahead and instantly transforms your bedroom into a serene and organized-looking retreat. Plus, crawling into a beautifully made bed at the end of a long day is pure bliss. Take a few seconds and tidy up the nightstand. Give it a quick wipe to remove any dust or spills. Take your water glass to the kitchen and put away other unnecessary items. If you have an ensuite bathroom, do a speed clean before leaving the bedroom. Wipe any splatters on the mirror. Put away any out-of-place items and give the countertop and sink a quick wipe with a microfiber cloth. Put a garbage bag in a laundry hamper. Keep it in your closet or someplace nearby so you can collect items to be donated. When the hamper is full, take the bag to Goodwill. Lastly, give the toilet seat and the outside of the bowl a wipe. Give the inside of the bowl a quick scrub if necessary. You will return in the evening to a welcoming space. Now, let's tackle my least favorite task, closet organization. Take some time to declutter your wardrobe and donate or recycle items you're not wearing or using any longer. Invest in storage bins, baskets, or hanging organizers to keep accessories and seasonal clothing neatly stowed away. By maintaining an organized closet, you'll streamline your morning routine and eliminate the stress of searching for that elusive pair of socks. Plus, you'll save yourself time in the evening because you can find what you need for the night. Next up is my favorite. Let's talk about floor care. Regular vacuuming is essential for keeping carpets, rugs, and hardwood floors looking their best. Make it a habit to vacuum high-traffic areas at least twice a week and give your entire home a thorough vacuuming once a week. Not only will it remove dirt, dust, and pet dander, but it'll also prolong the life of your flooring. A robotic vacuum may be helpful for this. It can be programmed to vacuum a certain area at a certain time each day, so you don't have to. Dust is the silent enemy of a clean home. Grab a microfiber cloth and dusting spray and tackle shelves, surfaces, and decor items throughout your home. Pay special attention to forgotten areas like ceiling fans, light fixtures, and baseboards. By staying on top of dusting, you'll breathe easier and enjoy a fresher, healthier living environment. Let's not forget about our leafy companions, our indoor plants. Not only do they add a touch of greenery to your home, but they also help purify the air and boost your mood. Get into the habit of watering your plants regularly and dusting their leaves to keep them thriving. Trust me, your green thumb will thank you. Ah, the bathroom. It's a sanctuary of cleanliness and relaxation. To keep it looking its best, make it a habit to wipe down surfaces like the sink, countertop, and toilet daily. A quick spritz of multi-purpose cleaner and a wipe with a microfiber cloth is all it takes to banish germs and grime. And don't forget to tackle the shower and bathtub with a good scrubbing once a week to prevent hard water spots, mold, and soap scum buildup. Now let's talk about mail clutter, shall we? Instead of letting it pile up on the kitchen counter or dining table, designate a specific area for incoming mail, bills, and documents. Sort through it daily, recycling junk mail and filing important documents away promptly. By staying on top of your mail, you'll prevent paper clutter from taking over your home and ensure that nothing important slips through the cracks. If you have a home office or workspace, keeping it organized is essential for productivity and focus. Invest in desk organizers, filing cabinets, and shelves to corral paperwork and office supplies. Take a few minutes at the end of each day to tidy up your workspace and file away any loose papers. A clutter-free office equals a clutter-free mind. Pillows and cushions are often overlooked when it comes to cleaning, but they can harbor dust mites, allergens, and odors if not properly maintained. Take them outside periodically and give them a good shake to fluff them up and freshen them. You can also spot clean them with a gentle upholstery cleaner to remove stains and spills. Your pillows will feel as good as new. Kitchen appliances are workhorses of the home, but they can quickly become breeding grounds for dirt and grime if neglected. Make it a habit to wipe down your appliances, including the microwave, toaster, and coffee maker after each use. For stubborn stains and buildup, use a mixture of vinegar and water or a specialized appliance cleaner. Not only will your appliances look shiny and new, but they'll also perform better and last longer. Let's talk trash, shall we? Emptying the trash bins throughout your home regularly is crucial for maintaining a clean and odor-free environment. Make it a habit to take out the trash daily, especially in the kitchen and bathroom where odors can linger. Don't forget to line your bins with trash bags to make cleanup a breeze. Your nose will thank you. Last but certainly not least, let's deal with the laundry. Instead of letting dirty clothes pile up into a mountain of chaos, make it a habit to do a load of laundry every day or every other day. Sort your laundry into separate bins for whites, colors, and delicates to prevent colors from bleeding and fabrics from getting damaged. Remember to treat any stains appropriately before washing. Make sure the stains are gone before putting the item in the dryer. The heat from the dryer will set the stain, making it difficult or impossible to remove. Be sure to clean your washer and dryer frequently to keep them odor-free and in good working order. Your machines will thank you for it. If you have a front-loading washer, leave the door open when not in use to prevent mold and odors from developing. And don't forget to fold and put away clean clothes as soon as they're dry to prevent wrinkles and keep your closets and drawers organized. Let us know in the comments below which of these tips was your favorite, and feel free to share any tips of your own. Please tell us about what you would like to see in a future video. We really do want to hear from you. Click here to see how you can implement these everyday habits in your own cleaning routine. If you found these 15 everyday habits practical, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future episodes. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.